BBAI stock analysis, last day of the week, Friday, and then in the upcoming next week. Am I buying or am I not? I'm going to be breaking this down in this brief short 1-minute video. Now, this supposedly it's a very big discounted price after this crash. Sure, but I'll break down in a second how I would do so. Well, I'm still going to stick to my strategy that I've refined over 45,000 videos, and how things are looking like with BigBear.ai for me is all the links you see are just previous longs for me. I've been just milking it up a lot, and with a correction as big as this, I just need more days to pass in order for me to accumulate enough candles to come to this decision to whether to buy or not. Because now I'm not buying. Like with this data, these candles that I see here, but it's not enough for me to buy. What do I exactly want to see? Well, my confirmation, right? In trading, there's two games. There's getting inside the trade game and there's managing the trade game. Does that make sense? Inside the first game, I have 3 out of 3 steps that must be met in order for me to take a trade. Now there are 2. So waiting for the last confirmation. Even though it's a little bit of a hard time frame, I guess the welcome to trading, you just have to wait more. And if you want to stay tuned and get free sauce, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.